This video demonstrates how to import demo content of the WordPress theme. After install the theme and the required plugins, you can import the demo content. If you want to see your site like the demo of the theme, you should import the demo content. Pages, posts, taxonomies, post types, widgets, and settings comes with demo content. In this video, we will cover 2 different themes to import their demo content. How to import demo content of the first theme. It's a WordPress theme for translation agency. Log into the WordPress admin panel. Go to the tools, then import. Click on the Install Now button under the WordPress option. Click on the Run Importer after installed it. Choose the demo content.xml file from the XML demo content folder of your downloaded package. Click on the Upload File and the Import button. Choose an user and select the checkbox of the Download and Import File Attachments from Open Page. Click on the Submit button. Finally, you will see Have Fun link. Once demo content is imported, you would need to import Revolution slider content. Go to the Slider Revolution from Admin Panel menu. Click on the Import Slider button box. Choose the home1slider.zip file from the Rev Slider demo content folder of your downloaded package. Click on the Import Slider button. Next, import the Home2 slider, the Home3 slider and the Home4 slider demos with this way. Finally, you will see all slider in the Slider Revolution page. As a last step, you would need to import demo widget content. Go to Widget, then click Importer and Exporter. Click on the Choose File button from the Import Widgets. Choose the widget demo content.wie file from the widget demo content folder of your downloaded package. Click on the Import Widgets button after choosing the file. Now you can preview the theme. We noticed that the home page does not look like the demo of the theme. You would need to go back to the control panel and confirm the setting of the home page. We noticed that the setting of the home page set to the latest post, change it to a static page, and chose one of the pages that have already been imported. Click Publish to apply changes. Refresh the page. Now you see your site like the demo with the theme. How to import demo content of the second theme. It's a web hosting WordPress theme. Log into the WordPress admin panel. Go to the tools, then Demo Content Install. Click Install. An important message pop-up tell you that installing this demo content will delete the content you currently have on your website. However, we create a backup of your current content in Tools Backup. You can restore the backup from there at any time in the future. Click OK to continue the installation. The installation will now complete in the background, while the installation window shows the information of downloading and installation. Depending on the speed of your machine and network connection, installation should only take a few minutes. After everything has been downloaded and installed, automatically your website will appear with the demo content.